When you're in class, you shouldn't be on your phone unless the teacher tells you to get on your phone. And you're still on it, refusal. That's it. That's what you're in trouble for. So when I'm sitting with a kid in an office who's dealing with refusal issues, or they're dealing with phone issues, and they come in, they say, but I have to have my phone, my parent, and the parent even gets on my back and says, they can have their phone, it's safety issues, they got to have their phone. And I tell them, they can absolutely have their phone. They can have 20 of them if they want to, if they can fit them all in their pockets and purse. I don't care how many they have. We're not here to talk about your child's phone. We're here to talk about the issue of refusal, that you're asked not to use it in class, and you pull it out anyways. So the behavior problem is not the phone, it's not the texting, and it's not the social media. It's the act of refusal. And once I can put it that way in that objective manner, I can monitor it actually in a behavior plan, but it also takes away all that personal stuff. So now we're talking about refusal, and that is a valid problem that we should be talking about. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.